analyst, and we're traveling on the 2026 Kenworth Motorhome. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel.
Imagine the sound of a powerful engine awakening under the golden morning sun, the reflection of light dancing on the metallic red curves of a machine so extraordinary that it seems almost alive. This is not just a motorhome, it's the 2026 Kenworth Motorhome, a 3-story masterpiece that merges technology, comfort, and imagination into one breathtaking vision of the future. When you first see it, your eyes can't decide where to focus: on the sculpted body, the flowing aerodynamic lines, or the endless glass surfaces that seem to blend the outdoors with the luxury within. Every inch of it whispers perfection. Every detail tells a story of freedom, elegance, and human creativity at its finest. Standing before this marvel feels like meeting a moving palace. The 2026 Kenworth Motorhome takes luxury living to an entirely new level. It's designed for those who refuse to be ordinary, for dreamers, travelers, and visionaries who want their home to move with them. From a distance, its futuristic silhouette glides along the road like an ocean wave sculpted from steel and glass. Its structure curves naturally with the wind, minimizing drag and maximizing grace. The shimmering red and black combination gives it a bold and royal personality, while the triple-level design immediately declares, "This is not a vehicle. This is a mobile mansion built for kings of the open road." As you step closer, you notice the engineering precision that defines Kenworth's legacy. The front cab retains the muscular power of the classic Kenworth design, but everything behind it is pure revolution. The glass panels are not just windows. They are panoramic walls that bring nature inside. Whether you're parked in the heart of a forest, beside a calm lake, or high up in the mountains, every view feels like it was painted just for you. The seamless curves around each level aren't for show. They serve a purpose. They cut through wind resistance, improve stability, and create a natural rhythm of motion that makes this giant glide smoothly like a luxury yacht cruising on land. Step inside, and the real magic begins. The ground floor of the 2026 Kenworth Motorhome welcomes you into a world of design brilliance. It's not just a living room, it's an experience. The ambient lighting adjusts automatically to your mood, the air feels perfectly conditioned, and the soft hum of hidden systems reminds you that technology here serves comfort, not the other way around. The interior features rich wooden floors, leather seating, and an open layout that gives the feeling of space without boundaries. To one side, an ultra-modern kitchen shines with smart appliances, touch panels, self-cleaning counters, and energy-efficient cooking systems. To the other, a dining and entertainment area merges seamlessly, allowing family and guests to enjoy meals while watching movies on a holographic display that seems to float in mid-air. Everything here has been built to make life on the move feel even better than life at home. Moving upward, the second level transforms the experience from living to dreaming. This floor is dedicated to family relaxation and smart control. Transparent walls wrap around the entire deck, giving an uninterrupted 360-degree view of the world outside. The seating is plush, the sound system rivals those found in high-end cinemas, and every piece of furniture is custom designed to adjust with the vehicle's motion. A central holographic console acts as the heart of the system, controlling lighting, climate, navigation, entertainment, and even the health status of the passengers. Imagine saying sunset mode, and watching the lights dim to a warm orange glow as your blinds adjust automatically. Music softens, and a peaceful atmosphere fills the room. The Kenworth Motorhome isn't just smart, it's intuitive, understanding what you need before you even say it. Then comes the crown jewel, the third level, the luxury suite that redefines what it means to live on the road. Here lies a master bedroom that feels like a penthouse above the clouds. The entire upper structure is surrounded by curved glass walls, giving you an uninterrupted view of the stars at night and the sunrise in the morning. The bed adjusts for comfort using biometric sensors, ensuring perfect sleep even while in motion. The bathroom, crafted with marble-style finishes, has a rainfall shower, self-heating mirrors, and automated cleaning technology. There's even a rooftop terrace accessible from the suite, a private space to enjoy coffee above the world, watch the scenery glide by, or host an intimate evening under the stars. The 2026 Kenworth Motorhome gives you not just comfort, but an experience of living beyond limits. Under the hood, This beauty hides the soul of a beast. Powered by a hybrid diesel-electric engine, it produces massive torque while maintaining exceptional efficiency. The energy recovery system recharges while you drive, and the smart power management automatically balances between fuel and electric output depending on terrain and driving mode. The result is a surprisingly silent, smooth, and environmentally friendly drive, no matter how far your journey goes. The advanced suspension absorbs every bump, while the adaptive traction ensures complete stability, even on mountain roads or off-grid terrains. Despite its grand size, the 2026 Kenworth Motorhome handles like a dream, thanks to its intelligent steering assistance and AI-controlled braking system. Safety and technology go hand in hand here. The motorhome features 360-degree radar and LiDAR monitoring, ensuring full awareness of surroundings at all times. It can automatically park, maintain lane position, and even follow pre-programmed routes. The AI autopilot takes over long drives effortlessly, while the driver can enjoy a panoramic digital cockpit that combines holographic displays with tactile controls. Cameras monitor blind spots, drones can deploy for aerial navigation, and security systems lock automatically when parked. Everything about this vehicle radiates power and protection. At night, the Kenworth Motorhome turns into a spectacle of light. LED strips curve along its flowing shape, creating the impression of movement even when it's still. The gentle blue and red glow makes it look like a futuristic sculpture rolling through the darkness. People stop their cars to take photos. Travelers gather to admire it. It doesn't just pass through the world, it becomes part of the scenery itself. Wherever it goes, it leaves behind an impression of awe and admiration. But beyond the power, design, and technology, the 2026 Kenworth Motorhome represents something deeper, the dream of ultimate freedom. It allows you to take your world with you, to live luxuriously without being tied to a location. It's for those who believe that home isn't a place. It's a feeling. For those who chase horizons, who want to wake up in a new landscape every day without giving up the warmth of comfort and style. This is the art of living on your own terms, of turning travel into lifestyle, and roads into destinations. The 2026 Kenworth Motorhome is not just a step forward in engineering. It's a leap into the future of human experience. It stands as proof that imagination, when combined with craftsmanship, can create wonders that blur the line between dream and reality. It's a moving monument to luxury, innovation, and the spirit of adventure. Wherever it goes, it carries the promise of new beginnings and endless exploration. This isn't just a machine, it's a dream on wheels ready to take you anywhere your heart desires.